Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF and turn on the notification bell, because the coin you're about to see today is one that many people have spent their entire lives carrying, spending, and ignoring without realizing what it truly represented. If you were alive in the early 1960s, you remember a very different America. Gas was cheap, neighborhoods felt closer, and coins were made to last, not just to circulate. The Jefferson Nickel from 1964 comes from that exact era, a time when American coinage still carried weight, purpose, and craftsmanship. This was not just pocket change. This was a product of a nation at a turning point. And that is exactly why collectors today look at this coin with serious respect. The year 1964 matters more than most people realize. It was the final full year before a massive shift in United States coin production. Rising metal prices, economic pressure, and changes in manufacturing were already pushing the U.S. Mint toward decisions that would permanently change American coins. When this Jefferson nickel was struck, nobody knew it at the time, but an era was quietly closing. Hold a 1964 Jefferson nickel in your hand, and you're holding a coin that was made during the last breath of what many collectors call the classic circulation period. These nickels were produced in enormous numbers, yes, but numbers alone do not determine importance. What matters is survival, condition, and the story carried forward through decades of use. For men who grew up using these coins daily, this nickel is more than metal. It's memory. It's the sound of coins in a coffee tin, the feel of change after a purchase, the habit of checking your pocket at the end of the day. That emotional connection is one reason demand never disappears for coins like this. The design itself tells a quiet but powerful story. Thomas Jefferson, calm and dignified, faces left on the obverse. His expression is steady, thoughtful, almost reserved. This was not a flashy design meant to impress. It was meant to endure. On the reverse, Monticello stands firm, symmetrical, balanced, and unmistakably American. That building symbolizes stability, structure, and permanence, values that resonated deeply during the 1960s. But what separates the 1964 Jefferson nickel from others is not just what you see. It's what you don't notice at first glance. Subtle strike differences, surface quality, and preservation all play a massive role in how collectors evaluate this coin today. Many examples were heavily circulated, worn down, scratched, and forgotten. Finding one that survived time with strong detail is far more difficult than people assume. Collectors in their 50s and 60s understand this better than anyone. You've seen how objects change with time. You know that condition is everything. A coin that looks ordinary at first glance can reveal exceptional quality under closer inspection, and that's where real collector interest begins. The 1964 Jefferson nickel also marks a psychological dividing line. After this year, the U.S. Mint dramatically altered production practices. Coins became more industrial, more rushed, and less personal. That's why many seasoned collectors focus on pre-1965 coins, not for hype, but for substance. Another reason this coin remains relevant is trust. The Jefferson nickel is one of the longest-running coin designs in American history. When people see it, they don't question it. They recognize it instantly. That recognition builds long-term collector confidence, especially among older buyers who prefer reliability over trends. What truly elevates a coin like this is how it fits into a lifetime collection. It's not about flipping or quick profit. It's about completeness, historical continuity, and pride of ownership. For many collectors, owning a high-quality 1964 Jefferson nickel feels like closing a chapter properly. And then there's the hunt. Many men enjoy the quiet satisfaction of searching through old rolls, inherited collections, or forgotten drawers. This coin represents possibility. It reminds collectors that valuable pieces are not always loud or obvious. Sometimes they're hiding in plain sight, waiting for the right eyes. Over the years, collector interest has slowly but steadily grown, not because of hype, but because of understanding. Serious collectors know that coins tied to pivotal moments in minting history tend to age well in desirability. The 1964 Jefferson Nickel stands exactly at one of those moments. This coin also appeals to collectors who value American identity. It comes from a time before mass outsourcing, before rapid automation dominated production. Each coin still carried a sense of national craftsmanship. That matters deeply to collectors who lived through those decades and watched the world change. For many, this nickel is a reminder that value is not always loud. It doesn't need extreme rarity or dramatic errors to matter. Its strength comes from history, context, and condition. That combination is powerful, especially in long-term collecting. As years pass, fewer well-preserved examples remain. Coins get lost, damaged, or melted away. Time does not stop. That reality quietly increases collector interest, particularly among experienced buyers who think in decades, not months. This is why conversations around the 1964 Jefferson Nickel never really end. It continues to circulate through collector circles, auctions, and private trades, holding its place as a respected and meaningful piece of American numismatic history. And now, after understanding the history, the craftsmanship, the era, and the collector mindset behind this coin, let's talk clearly and honestly about its value. A well-preserved 1964 Jefferson Nickel, meeting strong collector standards, is valued today at $1, $3.35. That is not hype. That is collector-driven value rooted in history, condition, and long-term demand. Thank you for watching CoinZF.